I have arrived in Lucas and it is raining. Awesome. But before we get completely downpoured on, I'm going to show you guys a couple of things that make this little tiny town pretty spectacular to stop off in. Behind me is what is called the Garden of Eden. Now, the guy is actually buried under some glass, and I'm not going to go in because I don't want to see that because it's creepy, but just looking at the outside of it is awesome. Like, it's really bizarre. It's on my top list of strange things that I've probably seen in a while. Right next to it, though, is the Roy and Clara Miller Park. There's not just one of them, there are two. I'm gonna have to look this up and find out why exactly these were put here, but each one of them has a different kind of stone on it, which is really cool. This one, for example, has the little rose stones that you find at all the little souvenir shops. This one over here has what we'd call Arkansas diamonds, even though we now know that's just glass. Some of them are buildings, some of them are just statues, some of them have paths to get up to the top of these very interesting castles. It's really, really interesting to see the level of detail put into each one of them. Whew. It's starting to get a little chilly, and that rain is really cold. Oh. The things we do for the blog. Oh, it's cold, it's wet, and we have found an interesting art park here. Look at this, but more importantly, what is that? Is that a giant roll of toilet paper? It is! It is! We are here at Bowl Plaza where we're being flushed down while the dog drinks the water. It's a little crazy, but this is kind of interesting actually. The art around here, despite the fact that it's really a toilet bowl, is really fun. I mean, so much detail. And around us, we're surrounded by art as well. So it's a pretty neat location to stop off at, even if it is raining and we're getting all wet in the toilet bowl. Happens when you step inside of the toilet bowl? Well, it's nonstop. Look at this. The wall is so cool. This is very neat. There are different things like embedded in the wall. There is a really interesting and unique look on how you can recycle and upcycle glass bottles to make them really neat. And then the bathrooms. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's an actual working bathroom. So, of course, there's toilets in the bathroom. probably the only time you will ever see me do a 40-second pan of a bathroom, like ever. But it's so cool to see how many things that they have worked into these walls. Like this is a sand dollar, and these are like little old plates. All of these little beads and buttons. Oh my goodness, there's so many cool things. I just want to like touch it and feel it and then look at it. And then as you walk past it, the mirrors catch you in different ways. And this was so worth this random, creepy trip to Lucas. The tiny town that has so much cool art. So much cool art. It's amazing what the imagination can do. And woohoo! No one's in the men's room. Theirs is themed differently. They have John Deere and welding. Oh my goodness, all the Hot Wheels! Getting out of the men's room. This is weird. Robots. They do have a guest book. The pen is gone though, so I'm going to go get a pen because this is one of those places that you want to sign in just to say you've been here. And I'm also going to pick up some pamphlets about the art collective who actually put this together, as well as other things around town. While in the downtown area, I decided to come and check out some of the other cool stuff. I noticed that there was a mural right over here, so we're gonna go and check that out really quickly. And then now that the rain has stopped, I think we're gonna hit the road again. This is kind of nice though. It's a small town, but that doesn't mean that you can't have some cool stuff. Write that down. What would the fox say? It's the next best thing. American fork art. Sure. It's been real, but next time we're gonna try to do this without the rain. From Lucas, where we finally made it, only in Lucas, where you can get flushed and forked in the same place.